Put my paper in the picture.
You know I like my chicken fried, a cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. Well, I was raised underneath the shade of a Georgia pine, and that's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, homemade wine, where the peaches grow. In my house, so there's not much to talk about, but it's filled with love, it's raised in the southern ground, and a little bit of chicken fried, a cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. I'd see sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and no mother's love. It's funny how the little things in life that mean the most. Now where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a peace of mind, this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, or raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken fried, a cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. I like to see sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and no mother's love. Thank God for my life, and for the red and white, may freedom forever fly. Let it ring, salute the ones who died, the ones that give their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chicken fried, a cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. I like to see sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of my precious child, and no mother's love. Get your little chicken fried, a cold beer on Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. I see sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and no mother's love.